Hi, my dear student. I am your English teacher once more, appearing in front of you with a new topics for discussion. It's a it's very nice moment that I am getting an opportunity to reach to you through this technology and taking the advantage of this technology on our online learning session. On behalf of George Telegraph Smart Center Sirampur, I am welcoming you all in this deliberation. Well, this time I have picked up one of the very important topics which is related to our syllabus of personality grooming, that is attitude building. Okay? As far as attitude is concerned, you have seen or you know or you have learned earlier also that this is the only impetus which really helps in human life to make or to break. Now it all depends on us that how we will build up our attitude towards our life for success. Now you have seen there are so many organizations, there are so many successful people. Okay? And you will be wondered that some individuals, some organization, some countries are more successful than others. It's not a secret. These people simply think and act more effectively. They have learned how to do so by investing in the most valuable asset. Okay? Their attitude. The attitude of the people. Okay? There are two attitudes available within ourselves. Okay? One is positive attitude. This usually we call the people who are like this, they are optimist. And the negative attitude, who are pessimists. They all are belong with us. They all are surrounding us. Maybe there is a dearth of optimist people. That is the only thing available in the society. That is the only curse available in the society. But yes, if you can open your eyes, if you can inculcate this culture within yourself, then we can come out as a people of, as a person of positive attitude. Okay? Now the greatest discovery of our generation is that human beings can alter their life. That is the most important. Okay? By altering their attitude of mind. Now, how many types of attitude? I have already described you, positive and negative. We will not discuss these topics, this negative attitude, because we are here to learn how to build a positive attitude within ourselves, because we know that positive attitude only can bring success. Our attitude can contribute to our success. That is pakka. Attitude is the most important word in the English language, and it applies to every sphere of our life. Either it is personal life or it is professional life. Any executive with a good attitude can get success. The reverse is also true. Any executive or any person bearing negative attitude cannot bring success, cannot get success. Okay? So, our aim always should have to see that we are bearing the positive attitude. When people don't know how to recognize opportunity, they complain noise. Okay? They are not in a position to turn out the negativity to positivity for them. So they always complain for the noise. And the same opportunity, they should know that the same opportunity will never knock down again. Well, if you permit me, I am just giving an example. In fact, it is very related to our present situation. Somebody is thinking that this situation, this what I say, confinement situation, this lockdown situation, this COVID-19 situation is the worst situation which has ever happened in our world. But some people has taken it in a very positive way. Perhaps this is one kind of opportunity which you have never got in the past and you may not get it even in the future in your life. I mean in our life. Okay? So we can easily identify what are the advantage which we lost, what are the disadvantage, what are the disadvantage which we are availing and which are the advantage which we can utilize. The disadvantage are we are confined, we are idle, no outing, no restaurant, no friendship, nothing is there, no liberty is there, I cannot walk on the road. Okay? So one of the greatest disadvantage, I am not in a position to attend my classes, to attend my to go to my friend house. This can happen, and some uncertainty for the future. These are certain disadvantage. If we click on this disadvantage, we are really losing the opportunity to see the advantages also. Now, what are the advantages it can come out, or it has brought with this lockdown situation? Abundant time, which was not earlier for each of us. Okay, we are very busy with our daily routine. So this time we are getting a lot of time, abundant time, so that we can continue our some of our lost hobbies, some of our lost likings. Okay, some likes music, some like dancing, some like cooking, some like washing, like everything. Okay, which we had no time to perform, but this time we are getting a lot of time. New things to learn, like this one thing, online session, online learning. This is a great advantage for us. Okay. In fact, if this situation would have been not happened, we would never been explored or exposed with such kind of happenings. That this can also can be happened. This can also can be enjoyed with online session. Not only us, for every institution or most of the institution or all of the institution, they are trying to reach to their student through this online system, and they are reaching to the student, they are delivering their lectures, they are delivering their lessons, and students are learning, those who have a aspire for learning. Okay, now we may get an opportunity to rejuvenate our relationship, whether it is on phone because we are having a lot of time, or whether with a close bonding with the family members, with the beloved ones, with the loved ones in our families, with our parents. Okay, so certain hobbies, yes, we can take up now, and most important thing which we are getting as a bonus of lockdown, that is no pollution in nature. For heaven's sake, in early morning you go to your room, you can easily find it out what is the benefit you are getting. We are already covered the half of the May month, but still we are not getting that very huge temperature. Why? Because it's a good effect of the lockdown. We are not polluting the air. So we are in a position to breathe a fresh air, a very good air. These are certain advantage. Okay. So to summarize it, victorious people are resilient. They may break 100 times, but they will rejoin again. They are not fragile like clay pot. Okay, clay pot, if it fall down from your hand, it will immediately break. So if we can change our attitude, we will not such kind of person that we will break even with a few days of lockdown, with few days of uncertainties and other things. We can make ourselves in the same way the tide flowing on. Okay. So the positive attitude people always they remain positive in the even in the face of adversity or in the negative things. Okay. I can give you one example of the bird, the king of the bird, eagle. Do you know what is their attitude? The eagle never lower domains. It flies to higher point and wants for the wind to blow over. It's paired wing. So when the storm comes, all the birds are afraid of. Eagle never. At that time only, they used to go up to the air so that they can float without any tension, without any restless situation. Okay, they always try to go higher and higher in the sky so that they always remain above on the storm. So the optimist people or the positive attitude people are never break down with certain adversities, certain negativity. Difficulties and obstacles have a positive side to them. They face to grow them within. A gem, a gem get polished with friction only. The finest steel is produced by putting it in the fire only. So, if we are facing any hardship, it's an important lesson for us. It's an important opportunity for us to rejuvenate ourselves, to reframe ourselves, okay, to remake ourselves. So take this as an opportunity. I'm sorry, I am taken a few minutes to correlate this situation with the attitude so that you can understand it clearly. Okay? Now, coming to the factors which usually influence our attitude. Three factors are mainly responsible to influence our attitude. The first is environment. It is environment, not climate. It is experience, and the third is education. These three important factors always takes the place in our life to build up our attitude. Okay, what is the environment? Our environment is our home, our school, our workplace, our medias, our culture, our religious background, our tradition and belief, our social environment, our political environment. These all contributes in our life to build up our attitude, whether it will be positive attitude or whether it will be negative attitude. What is culture? Culture in any place where goes top to down. Never it will come to bottom to up. We need to step back and look at what kind of environment we have created for ourselves and those around us. Okay, it always comes from the top. If I am the parent of our child, if I am the guardian of any organization, if I am the guardian of my family, The culture will come from me only. It will come from the top. If this culture, if we can inculcate the good culture, the attitude will be positive around all of us. Okay? So, how do we recognize the people of positive attitude? They are very caring, they are very confident, they are patient, and they are humble. That means if we can build up these qualities within ourselves, that we are becoming a caring. If I am a father, so I am a caring father. If I am a supervisor, so I am a caring supervisor. If I am a neighbor, good neighbor, I am a caring neighbor. Confident, yes, as a person, if I can build up every time the level of my confidence, the level of my patience, and my level of my humbleness, then I can possess a positive attitude. Okay? The people of positive attitude always having a high expectation either from themselves or from others also. Okay? What is the benefit of the positive attitude? Yes, it can increase the overall productivity. It can build a beautiful teamwork. Okay? Wherever you are, whether you are in school, whether you are in college, whether you are in work, job field, whether you are in enterprising venture, wherever you are, you can increase your productivity. We can increase our productivity. We can solve problem. We can improve quality. We can build up a congenial atmosphere. We can breed loyalty. We can expect loyalty. If we have a positive attitude, we can expect the loyalty. We can increase the profit for family, profit for organization, profit for enterprise, profit for business. Okay? And we can reduce the stress. If we can bring the positive attitude within ourselves, then we will be trained to see only the positive things in our life. And if we start to see the positive things in our life, it is obvious that we will reduce the stress. Okay? Stress for me, stress for myself, and stress for others also, obviously. And overall, a positive attitude people always possess a pleasant personality. Okay? I am not describing what are the consequences of negative attitude, but yes, for your information only, I just trying to touch it. The negative attitude, if we possess unfortunately the negative attitude, then what are the consequences may strike us? Bitterness can come, resentment comes, purposeless life, ill health, high stress level. These all things comes in a row for a negative attitude people. So we should always be careful to see that we are thinking only the positive, and we are standing, we are working on the positive side only. Okay? So now I will discuss that how to build or maintain a positive attitude. I have written here how. Now obviously you can ask, sir, there are so many advantages of positive attitude, built up on positive attitude, but how we can make it out? I have given some of the way by which or through which or with the help of which we can make out our positive attitude. See, I have a lot of things to discuss on these topics. I have a lot of examples, but here, due to paucity of time, I am unable to express fully or I am unable to give you certain examples with certain live fact in front of you. But I am promising you that when the next time I will get the opportunity to discuss these topics, I will go through more elaborately to see that everything being grasped by you in a beautiful manner. Okay? But one thing, even I told you about the positive attitude and negative attitude, but the one thing I must tell to you, keep it we should keep it in our mind that there is something positive in every person and every situation. Okay? Any person cannot be a full negative person. Something positivity also will be there. There is a beautiful saying, that even a stopped clock, the defective clock, also give the right time twice in a day. Isn't it? You just think twice that a defective clock or a stopped clock also can give right time two times in a day. So all people or any people cannot be fully negative. There must be some positive. Now, it is our responsibility to see that how the negative influence, the negative attitude can be washed out, and the wave of the positive attitude can be injected through those person so that the beautiful things can come out from those persons. Okay? You will find some people, mostly they say they look the negative things. I can give you certain lot of examples, but again I am restricting here also. I am not going to give you certain examples. Rather, I am going to the next portion, how we can develop ourselves, how we can change ourselves to see that we are also becoming a positive attitude people. The first thing is change the focus. Now, if we want to see certain negative things out of any happenings, out of any situation, if we don't shift our focus from there, we will be lost. We will be haywire. So, to build up the positive attitude, we should always keep it in our mind that we should change our focus towards positivity. Okay? If we can change our focus, we will be able to see the positive things in each situation, in each happenings, with each persons. Okay? So, this is one of the important tool to rejuvenate ourselves towards positivity, towards inculcate the positive attitude. Habit of doings now. Okay? We have as a human being, we have a habit to keep pending certain things. So, if we can make a habit of doing the things right at that point of time, we can build up the positive attitude. Okay? We should always avoid, it might have been, I should have, I could have, we should always avoid. We should always inculcate the habit of doing the things right now, which I have to do. The next one is gratitude. We should develop an attitude of gratitude. Gratitude means gratifying. Gratitude means if somebody is doing something for you, you should always keep it in your mind. You should always remember it for lifelong, that yes, this person has uh, benefited me, this person has helped me in my crisis. That's the habit of gratitude. Okay? These are certain tools, these are certain qualities by which we can build up our positive attitude. The next is continuous education. Yes, if you go through your continuous education, it need not to be academic education, any kind of education, you will always developing yourself. If you are not developing, if we are not developing ourselves, then actually we are dying. If we are not growing, we are dying. See, even those who cannot speak, those who cannot walk, you see the trees and others, they are also growing. When they are growing, they are living. We should not live as a bonsai. Okay, that bonsai trees you have seen that people keep it in their drawing room. Okay, the banyan tree is small inside, looks like banyan tree but is small inside. We should not behave like this. We should not develop our life in that way. Okay. In fact, until and unless we are learning, we cannot choose our advisors carefully and cannot use our judgment. That is important. If we want to be a leader with our positive attitude, then we must be leaders. Leaders only can be the best leaders. Whenever you will find the leaders, the great leaders, the successful leaders, behind it you will find that they are the good readers also. Okay? And you should we should always sharpen our axe so that we can cut more number of T's. Now build a positive self-esteem about himself. Yes, I am one of the best. I can do it. This is the self-esteem. If we can build up our positive self-esteem, then we can help others to build the positive self-esteem. So it is one of the most important things. Okay? And the next one is stay away from negativity. If you can find out certain negative talking is advice is coming, certain negative comments is coming, certain negative atmosphere is coming, certain negative environment is coming to you, we should always avoid it. We should always avoid any negative environment. If we can avoid this negative environment, then we will get the right kind of touch of our positivity. Okay? And the next way, the one way we can build up the positive attitude, okay, with the positive things. At the same time, if we can reduce, if we can eradicate the negativity, the negative things in our life, the negative looking in our life, the negative forcing in our life, then we can definitely help to build up more positivity within ourselves. The next is learn to like the things that need to do. We have found that certain people who are doing their job, they are not liking their job. They say, oh, again this morning, again you will have to go. Some students, they don't like to go for study. Okay. That is the not right indication of the positive attitude. If we inculcate the positive attitude, we need to learn to like the things which we are doing, which we are used to do. Certain people, they are doing certain jobs with their likings can perform well. That is pakka. That is the permanent solution for every successful man, for every successful venture. The things which we are doing, we must love it. We must like it. Okay? And the next is start every morning with positivity. Don't think, oh my God, again the morning has come, again I'll have to do the same things. Yet, we will have to do the same thing, but with our joy, with our pleasure, with our passion. Every morning, you should wait for night, that when the morning will come, when I will start my passion, when I will again start to do the things which I like. That is the moral of the positivity. That is the aim of the positivity. That is the objective of the positivity. If we want to inculcate the uh, positive positivity within ourselves, then we will have to inculcate all these qualities. We will have to build up all these qualities. We will have to practice all these qualities. Okay? So these are the more or less the topics of attitude. I could have given you certain good examples with some stories, with some facts of life, but here I have some limitations. Uh, of course, when we will meet again, I'll take up these topics once again. If you find any difficulty of learning, or if you need any further clarification, further clarity, okay? Till then, go through it. Not only you should grasp it, it is expected that all of our students will inculcate this habit, inculcate this culture within himself, so that when they will grow up, they will be a better and successful person and can be the asset for the society, for the organization, for the family. With this, I am concluding today's session of attitude building. Once again, I am wishing all of your best health and very nice days. Thank you very much.